It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Monday, September 28th. I'm James Spann. The weather wet at times tonight, tomorrow, and then we start to dry out Wednesday and really nice air settling in here later this week on Thursday and Friday. Lower humidity, cooler nights. Go in there and check things out today. Very active weather map. We have an upper low that's over southeastern Texas, a surface low in the Gulf moving north, and a whole lot of moisture in place. That's a radar at 252. Nothing heavy today, and it's not a constant rain, but we've had light rain at times, and we'll see pretty much the same deal tonight, tomorrow, and tomorrow night. And because of the clouds and rain, temperatures are only in the low 70s. Birmingham at 72. Still have flash flood watches in effect for the Gulf Coast region from basically Morgan City, Louisiana, all the way down to Fort Myers, Florida. We've had some flash flood warnings in the Florida Panhandle today. And up north, look what I see, frost and freeze warnings in effect for parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. How about that? Convective outlook, we have a marginal severe weather risk along the Gulf Coast, Morgan City over to Tampa Bay. And again, there could be a few isolated water spouts or tornadoes, but nothing too widespread. And then tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. Amounts about 1 to 1.5 inches for the north, heavier totals down south. And off in the tropics, the low in the Gulf not expected to develop into a tropical storm. That'll be coming in with just a lot of rain, a broad low. We have tropical depression number 11 in the Atlantic and a new disturbance farther to the east. 11 will be moving towards the north ultimately. Should begin to be a tropical storm tonight, and then weaken to a subtropical storm at the end of the week, and that will likely cause a lot of wind and rain perhaps for the coast of the upper Atlantic about the time the weekend begins. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. Upper low beginning to lift out over the western Gulf. And as that interacts with this moist air mass, it looks like just a rainy day. There'll be some breaks in the rain, but rain possible at any time during the day. The sky cloudy. And like today, we should stay in the 70s all day. Wednesday, the upper support begins to lift out, and we should begin to see a trend toward drier weather. The sun breaks out at times. Still a chance of a lingering shower or two with a mix of sun and clouds, and the high would be at or just over 80 in most spots. Thursday, look at that nice, refreshing air dropping in here. That's a 1039 millibar high over Hudson Bay in eastern Canada, and that's going to set up a really nice day. The high will be in the 70s with a fresh north breeze, and Friday looks good. We start the day in the 50s. The high will be in the 70s, and Saturday should be a beautiful day. Looks like some of the colder pockets will see 40s Saturday morning. The GFS is printing 53 for Birmingham, with a high of 74, bright sunshine, a gorgeous day for football or anything else. Sunday looks good as well. Again, lows in the 50s, highs in the 70s. The sky will be sunny. And this is Monday, a week from today, October 5th. The westerlies beginning to trend southward, and again, we're still in dry air, so just gorgeous fall weather. Very nice. There's the end of the forecast. This is Thursday of next week, October 8th. Another little trough off to the west. That's suggesting at that point the better chance of rain could be a tad east of here. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Look at that. The 80s are gone. Highs in the 70s and lows mostly in the 50s. Very nice. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.